In this video, we are going to learn how to create Google Tag Manager account. So first of all, we need to write over here Google Tag Manager, right? And then go over here tagmanager.google.com, and then okay, here we go. Here it is. So you will see this interface. Either you have to click over here, or you can click over here. So give uh, whatever name you want to give. I'm gonna close it up. So let's say account name is Naeem, and if you want to share data to Google and others Google services, then you can tick it on, and you can select your targeted country, and then write like this. So why web? Just to make sure that the naming convention, to make sure that it is giving us an idea that this container is for web. If we select server, then we will write it server, and which I'm going to cover in the up and coming tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel. Um, and then boom, this one, and click on yes. Okay, it is taking time, but you know what? It's in the process. Just because of my network issue, it is showing a little bit of issue. All right, here we go. This is our Google Tag Manager account. So if you want to get the code like this, again, click over here and you'll see that this is the code. So I have shown you how Google Tag Manager works. I have a YouTube tutorial where I have shown how Google Tag Manager works. So you can, if you want, you can watch this video over here. So you have to copy this code and paste it on your website header section, and this one at the body section of your website. So this is how we can create Google Tag Manager account. So thank you for watching this video.